Dear students, today I am going to solve exercise 11.2. Question number first is find the area of given parallelograms. Let ABCD is a parallelogram. Its base is 7 centimeter. It is given, and height of this parallelogram is 4 centimeter. It is also given. Hence, its area is equal to base into height. It is formula. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. So we multiply, base is 7 and height is 4. So product of 7 and 4 is equal to 28 centimeter square. It is area of given parallelogram. Second is another parallelogram. Let KLMN is a parallelogram. Its base is 2 centimeter and perpendicular height is 4.4 centimeter. Now we solve it. Let KLMN is a parallelogram. Its base is equal to 2 centimeter and height is equal to 4.4 centimeter. So its area is equal to base into height. So we find product of 2 and 4.4, that is 8.8 centimeter square. It is area of given parallelogram. Question number second is find the area of given triangles. Let ABC is a triangle. Its base BC is 4 centimeter. It is given, and height of this triangle is 3 centimeter. It is also given. At first we write let ABC is a triangle. Length of its base B is equal to 4 centimeter and corresponding height H is equal to 3 centimeter. Now area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. It is formula to find area of triangle. Now we put up the value of B and H. So is equal to 1 by 2 into base is 4 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. When we solve it, we find 6 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. Second is ABC is a triangle. Its height is 4 centimeter and base is 3 centimeter. Let ABC is a triangle. Length of its base is equal to 3 centimeter and corresponding height AB is equal to 4 centimeter. Now area of this triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Now put up the value of base and height, that is 3 and 4. After solving it, we find 6 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. Question number third is find the missing values. First, base is equal to 20 centimeter. It is given, and area of parallelogram is equal to 246 centimeter square. Both are given. We need to find height of this parallelogram. Solution: area of parallelogram is equal to 246 centimeter. It is given. Now we put up the formula to find area of parallelogram, that is base into height is equal to 246 centimeter square. Value of base is 20 and height, product of them is equal to 246. Now h equal to 246 by 20. When we divide 246 with 20, we find 12.3 centimeter. That is height of given parallelogram. Second is height is equal to 15 centimeter. Area of parallelogram is equal to 154.5 centimeter square. Both are given. We need to find base of this parallelogram. Now we use formula. Area of parallelogram is equal to 154.5 centimeter square. It is given. Put up the formula. Base into height is equal to 154.5 centimeter square. Base multiply value of height is 15 centimeter is equal to 154.5 centimeter square. Hence base equal to 154.5 by 15. After solving it, we find 10.3 centimeter is the base of this given parallelogram. Third is base of parallelogram is equal to 15.6 centimeter and area is 16.38 centimeter square. We need to find height of this parallelogram. Now area of parallelogram is equal to 16.38 centimeter square. Put up the formula, base into height is equal to 16.38 centimeter square. Value of base is 15.6, multiply height is equal to 16.38. Now height is equal to 16.38 by 15.6 centimeter. After solving it, we find 1.05 centimeter is the height of given parallelogram. Question number 4 is find the missing value. Base of triangle is equal to 15 centimeter. Area of triangle is equal to 87 centimeter square. Both are given. We need to find height of this triangle. Now area of triangle is equal to 87 centimeter square. Formula of to find area of this triangle, that is 1 by 2 into base into height is equal to 87 centimeter square. Now put up the value of base, multiply height is equal to 87 centimeter square. Now height is equal to 2 multiply 87 by 15. After solving it, we find 11.6 centimeter is the height of this triangle. Second is height of triangle is 31.4 mm, it is given, and area of triangle is equal to 1256 mm square. Both are given. We need to find base. Area solution, area of triangle is equal to 1256 mm square. Put up the value to find the area. We use formula 1 by 2 into base into height, that is formula to find area of triangle is equal to 1256 mm square. Value of height is 31.4 mm. So base equal to 1256 by multiply 2 by 31.4. After solving it, we find 80 mm is the base of this given triangle. Third is base of triangle is equal to 22 centimeter. Area of triangle is equal to 170.5 cm square. We need to find height of this triangle. Area of triangle is equal to 170.5 centimeter square. Put up the formula 1 by 2 into base into height is equal to 170.5. Value of base is 22. So height is equal to 2 multiply 170.5 by 22. After solving it, we find 15.5 centimeter. Hence height of triangle is equal to 15.5 centimeter. That is, hence height of triangle is equal to 15.5 centimeter. In this way, we find solution of question number 1 to 4. In next video, we will discuss next question from exercise 11.2. Thank you.